Hey YouTube, this is Christian here, and today I'm going to show y'all my, I think it's pronounced Jimmy animated, excuse me, Freddy Krueger. Just ate a burger. Anyway, these things are not made anymore. Just letting you know, this is a video. You'll notice it's uploaded 2012. If you go look up any of the videos of these kind of guys, it's either uploaded 2010, sometimes even 2008 or 9, rarely 2011. They stopped making these things. My guess is they made a big bulk of them and sold them over a couple years, and they sold really well, and they're very hard to get a hold of. And believe it or not, I just got this one. It was brand new, and I'm gonna reveal a secret that I have no problem revealing now because I've already got it, and I don't care who else gets one. First of all, let me give you a little review of it. He's a great little figure. They finally got the face right on a toy like this. I love it. Really creepy looking. He really good glove features and everything, and he's got a button on his foot, and he moves and talks. Here you go.
What's wrong? Did someone have a nightmare?
It says a couple of the lines still. Just play another one to give you an idea. And it's a cool counterpart because, you know, opposed to having something like this that's, you know, 6.5 feet tall, which is awesome. It's cool to have a mini one. And as you can see up here, I got a nice Freddy Krueger collection, so it's nice to add. My girlfriend got the Jason one. She wanted the Jason one for some god-awful reason. She thinks Jason's better than Freddy. But we'll discuss that later. But I'm going to let y'all in a little secret. Okay, I've seen people, including me, I've always wanted to get one. I went to every Walgreens within a 150-mile radius of me, every single one. It's like 15 of them almost. And I even drove an hour and a half to go to a Kmart because that's where they're supposed to be made. Of course, they didn't have it. Devastated. Drove all the way out there, and you know it's not there. So I'm on the internet one day. I slip on Kmart.com. Go to Kmart.com. Type in animated Jason or animated Freddy, and this exact guy will pop up. Now you can get them. They were on sale. The only downfall, and it's not even a downfall, I think the reason some of these are sold on the internet is the boxes are just a little damaged. Not even bad damage, just a little cut. So they're not presentable, I guess, for the stores, and they're on Kmart.com for about 17 bucks. You can't go wrong, because I see people going on eBay paying 30 plus for these guys, which is awesome, but that's the secret. If you still want one of these now, go to Kmart.com. They only have Freddy or Jason on that website. I believe, from a source, somebody told me, it was probably my girlfriend, they might have Scream on Sears.com. I don't know, that's up for you to go and check out. I'm not that worried about Scream, but like I said, if you want Freddy or Jason, go to Kmart.com. I don't need to put a description for that because it's self-explanatory. Go to their website and type it in. And we got this thing in when we ordered it 3 days. It might have even been 2 days after we ordered it. So these things are still a hot commodity. I still see people interested in them, so there you go. Freddy animated, it's awesome. It was well worth the money, so if you want one of these or Jason, you can go to the Kmart website. That is all. Mystery solved.